Hey y'all, it's me, Miss Lexi Andrews, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple and easy classic American dish. But before we get started, real talk, honey. I know that times are hard right now because of this corona you didn't, and ain't nobody got time nor money to be going down to the local farmer's market to buy some special ingredients for some fancy dish. Honey, you know all we got time money for is going down to the local 5 and dime buying something quick, easy, and cheap. That's why Miss Lexi Andrews is going to show you how to make her classic peanut butter and Nutella sandwich. And all you need are 3 ingredients. Bam! Peanut butter, Nutella, and your classic white bread. But if you a classy bitch, you can splurge for that wheat bread. But honey, in the end, it all comes out the same. That's a double entendre if you catch my French. Now, since times are hard, and I'm practicing that D-O-D, drag on a dime, whatever I buy, I need to make sure I can reuse it. Now this bread right here, it is the most versatile food item I have ever seen. Now, if you need a new booty, you can use it for padding. You just take this piece of bread and you just stuff it on up in there, honey. Look at that, instant butt lift. You need some padding in your boobs? Look, you just take this here piece of bread and you just stuff it, girl. You stuff it. Take another one and you just stuff it. Look at that instant breast lift. Oh, and if you get hungry, guess what? You got a snack for later. Breast bread. Yep, you saw it here first. Oh, and if you need a beer belly like my husband, you just go, you ain't doing that. Because the corona you didn't, he get on that treadmill tomorrow before he is corona you don't out that door. Now, you know Miss Lexi Andrews cannot start cooking before she has her, that's right, her box sangria wine. Oh, I'm gonna have to finish this box tonight. Let's get started. So what you need to do first, you need to take this piece of bread and this piece of bread and lay them out flat. Just like you do when you lie flat on your back screaming, Jesus' name, hallelujah, can I get an amen up in here? Then you're going to take this, you're going to open it. Just smell that. You're going to smell it. You're going to take this cream peanut butter and you're just going to slather it on there, honey. You're going to slather it on there. Now, I don't know about you, but I love this smooth peanut butter. Now, my husband, he likes it chunky. But let me ask you this. Do you want some smooth balls or you want some crunchy balls? That's what I thought. Ain't nobody putting no crunchy balls near my mouth. Now you're just going to keep on spreading. Take this big old lump of some heavenly goodness and just keep on splatting it on there, honey. Now, you want to spread it on there. It's about the thickness of my Platinum American Express card. And for all you broke hoes out there, that's about the thickness of a penny. Yeah, now once you've done all that and you've gotten it edge to edge, you just lay it on flat. Now, you're going to take this spoon, you're going to lick it. You're going to taste that heavenly goodness. I need some wine now. She back, baby. Now, you're going to take this right here, this Nutella, and you're going to put it on this spoon. You're going to pop it right down here. And you're going to spread this Nutella just like your mama spread her legs when she had you. And you're just going to keep on spreading it till you get that same thickness that we talked about, earlier. And you're just going to keep on spreading. Now, once you're done with all that, you're going to take this here piece of bread right here, and you're going to take this here piece of bread, and you're going to slap them together like 2 lesbians trying to make love. I said it. Scissor, scissor, baby. Now, you can't just eat it yet. First, you got to take a sip of wine. You got to take one more, hold on. Then, I don't know about you, but I like to cut a hoe before I eat a hoe. So I'm gonna slice her like I'm slicing my enemies, and I'm just gonna keep on cutting her. Yeah, that's how you do it right there. Now just look at this. Look at that. Oh, doesn't that look delicious? Now, Miss Lexi Andrews hasn't eaten all day, so she's about to enjoy this. Oh my God. That is so good. You know, I don't think I've had a better peanut butter and Nutella sandwich ever. Oh. Well, honey, I think that's about it. So I'm gonna keep on enjoying this here sandwich here. You just go out there and you just go buy you some ingredients to make Lexi Andrews special peanut butter. Hold on. Peanut butter and Nutella sandwich. Bye bye, y'all.